How to buy heroes of Mavia token. So this token came under the symbol of Mavia. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token it's available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Open your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and select the Ethereum as an issuer. Click on this plus icon, paste the token address in the search bar. Now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and try to find your token that you just had called Mavia. So after you find it, what you need to do is you can see click on it. Now here click on swap, switch from here. From the top you can select the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see with that token, and here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Mavia token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.